Alright guys, and for the last part of the video is a quick condition report on this car. So overall this car is insanely clean, especially for the year. It is very well taken care of. There are a couple small little imperfections here and there that I'll notate, but just overall this car is in great shape. And then now let's check out the interior. The carpet here looks to be in really good condition. You do have some frayed edges here and there, but overall really nice. The chrome here has kind of been bent up. You can see the bolsters are phenomenal condition, no rips or tears. The dash looks really nice. There's a couple spots up here that are kind of popping up. And then of course this chrome does have little scuffs and scratches on it, but nothing major. You can see the seat belt here has frayed. Overall, this interior is insanely clean for the year. Very well taken care of. Here on the front bumper, on the very edge, is a chip in the paint. And the front end is in really good condition. There are a couple little minor scuffs here and there. And you do have a couple little rock chips that have been touched up. And of course, your minor little rock debris. Here on the edge of the hood, it appears to have a small crack in the paint there. Almost see if I can get a little closer for you without it blurring. And there's a tiny little scuff right here. And here on the quarter panel, there's a couple scuffs, really hard to focus, but you can kind of see them there. Here on the passenger door, there's a little bit of clear coat peeling off. And same for the edge of the passenger side mirror. And then on the passenger front right, there's a couple little scuffs like this. They're very minor and hard to get in camera. If you have any other questions about this car, give us a shout at Exotic Motorsports of Oklahoma, and I'll put the link down in the description. Thanks guys, and have a good one.